Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on the Shark BlastBoss air blower. Here's everything that comes in the box. You do have to charge it up. It is cordless. There's the charging cable. Here's the actual blower. You do have two attachments that you're going to put on, and then this is like a brush. The air is going to come out the front. So when you put this handle together, it doesn't come apart super easy. So line these two up like this. You're going to snap this into place. This is for the brush, so it's got an extension. And you're going to snap that on. Now this part's a little tricky. You're going to take the unit. You want to find like the unlock and the lock. Line up those two zeros. You push, that exposes the arrow, then you turn it. Now see, it's locked into place. Now when you want to undo it, pull this and turn it that way. So when I turned it this way. So let's do that again. Go to zeros, push in, and I'm going to turn it. Watch when I turn, I'm going to go slow. There, it clicks into place. Now I'm good to go. I don't have to use that attachment. I can take this part off and just have like a really long blower. That blower to the blower part is 30 inches. The handle adds another 7 inches. It does come with this little nozzle. Again, pull this up, turn it, comes off. I can put this, again, you got to find the zeros, put those on, and then lock it. Now this has two modes, an indoor mode and an outdoor mode. So then we got a variable speed trigger. There's where all the air is going to come in. There's where the battery is. Now, this is, the house is in-house. The tree is outdoors. That means it's going to be a little louder. So let's go here, and then it's variable speed. See, I can barely get it going. Not very powerful inside. You can do a boost. So when the boost is flashing, it's in boost. Now let's go to outdoor. Now that light changes to purple. And again, now it's going to be a little louder. It starts off really quick. Let's go to boost. Now the way you power it down is just make sure the trigger is fully released, and after 60 seconds it powers off on its own. Battery usage 20 minutes indoors, outdoor 12 minutes, turbo 8 minutes. The LED lights give us a whole lot of information. Battery charging, unit charged. The blue means indoor, purple outdoor, solid white means batteries charged to 100%. Now charging this, you're going to plug this into a wall outlet that's 6 feet long. That is very small. You want to be very careful and find this little charging point right here. And that's where you're going to plug it in. Make sure it's fully seated, then your light's going to flash and go fully white when it's fully charged. No real access, no filter for say. It's very lightweight, very lightweight. And again, if the air is going to be directed here, this is more of a scrubby brush. And that's going to be where the air comes out. It doesn't come out down here or anything. It comes out right here. Again, it's not a vacuum, it's a blower. So let's see. It's got a good reach. I'm not even on full force. So it does a good job of blowing. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.